How to sign up to Wendys. So if you want to sign up to Wendy's account, then first of all open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and I'm here with Chrome browser. Go for the search bar and search for Wendys, and after searching, go for the first search, which is www.wendys.com, and here you can scroll down and you will have sign up option. Click on sign up and click on join now, and then you can choose your country, and after choosing that, it will take you to account sign up page. So if you want to sign up to your account, then first you need to enter your first and last name, and then here you have to enter your email address, and you have to choose your country, and then your currency. You can simply click on the drop down bar and then you can choose your currency, and then your postal code, and after that here on the last blanks you have to create a password. And after entering your password, here you have to again confirm your password by again retyping it, and then click here so that you agree to the terms and conditions and the privacy policy, and click on sign up. And after clicking on sign up, your account will be created. So that's it. That's how you create Wendy's account. And if you have any questions, feel free to